As an independent contractor, you may have considered forming a limited liability company, LLC, for your business. An LLC is a type of business structure that combines the benefits of both a sole proprietorship and a corporation. By forming an LLC, you can protect your personal assets from the liabilities of your business and enjoy certain tax advantages. In this video, we will discuss the benefits of setting up an LLC as an independent contractor, and we will provide a step-by-step guide on how to set up an LLC for your business. Benefits of setting up an LLC as an independent contractor. 1. Limited liability protection. One of the primary benefits of setting up an LLC as an independent contractor is the limited liability protection it provides. When you operate as a sole proprietor, you are personally responsible for all of your business's liabilities. This means that if your business is sued or incurs debt, your personal assets, such as your home and car, can be seized to pay off those debts. However, when you form an LLC, the business becomes a separate legal entity from you as an individual. This means that your personal assets are protected from any liabilities the business incurs. In other words, if someone sues your LLC or the business incurs debt, your personal assets are not at risk. 2. Tax advantages. Another benefit of forming an LLC as an independent contractor is the tax advantages it offers. LLCs are considered pass-through entities, which means that the business itself does not pay taxes. Instead, the profits and losses of the business are passed through to the individual members of the LLC, who report them on their personal tax returns. This can result in significant tax savings for independent contractors. As a sole proprietor, you are required to pay self-employment taxes, which can be quite high. However, as a member of an LLC, you may be able to reduce your self-employment tax liability by electing to be taxed as an S corporation. This can help you save money on taxes and increase your take-home pay. 3. Credibility. Another advantage of forming an LLC as an independent contractor is the credibility it can provide to your business. Many clients and customers prefer to work with businesses that are structured as an LLC, as it indicates that the business is legitimate and has taken the necessary steps to protect itself and its members. In addition, forming an LLC can help you establish a more professional image for your business. You can use your LLC name on business cards, invoices, and other marketing materials, which can help you build brand recognition and attract new clients. 4. Flexibility. Finally, forming an LLC as an independent contractor provides you with flexibility in how you manage your business. LLCs are not subject to the same formalities and regulations as corporations, which means that you have more control over how you run your business. For example, as an LLC member, you can choose to manage the business yourself, or you can appoint a manager to handle the day-to-day operations. You can also structure the ownership and management of the LLC in a way that best suits your needs and those of your business. Now that we've discussed the benefits of forming an LLC as an independent contractor, let's look at the steps involved in setting up an LLC for your business. Step 1. Choose a name for your LLC. The first step in setting up an LLC is to choose a name for your business. The name you choose must be unique and not already in use by another business in your state. You can check the availability of your desired name by searching the online database of the Secretary of State's office in your state. Once you've chosen a name, you should also consider registering a domain name that matches your LLC name. Step 2. File articles of organization. The next step is to file articles of organization with the Secretary of State's office in your state. The articles of organization are a legal document that establishes your LLC as a separate legal entity from you as an individual. The articles of organization typically include the following information: the name of your LLC, the purpose of your LLC, the address of your LLC's principal place of business, the name and address of your LLC's registered agent, a person or company designated to receive legal documents on behalf of your LLC, the names and addresses of the LLC members, if the LLC is member-managed. You will also need to pay a filing fee when you submit your articles of organization. The fee varies depending on the state, but it typically ranges from $50 to $500. Step 3. Create an operating agreement. While not required by law, it is highly recommended that you create an operating agreement for your LLC. An operating agreement is a legal document that outlines the ownership and management structure of your LLC, as well as the rights and responsibilities of the members. The operating agreement should include the following information: the ownership structure of the LLC, for example, member-managed or manager-managed. The duties and responsibilities of the members and managers. The voting rights of the members. How profits and losses will be distributed among the members. How new members can be added or existing members can leave the LLC. The procedures for conducting meetings and making decisions. Creating an operating agreement can help prevent disputes among LLC members and provide clarity on how the business will be managed. Step 4. Obtain any necessary business licenses and permits. Depending on the type of business you operate and where you are located, you may need to obtain certain business licenses and permits before you can begin operating as an LLC. These may include business license, professional license, if applicable, sales tax permit, employer identification number, EIN. You can check with your state and local government to determine which licenses and permits you need for your LLC. Step 5. Open a business bank account. Once your LLC is established, it's important to open a separate bank account for your business. This will help keep your personal and business finances separate, which is essential for maintaining the limited liability protection offered by the LLC. You will need to provide the bank with your LLC's articles of organization and EIN to open a business bank account. Step 6. Obtain business insurance. Finally, it's important to obtain business insurance to protect your LLC from liability. Depending on the nature of your business, you may need different types of insurance, such as general liability insurance, professional liability insurance, or commercial property insurance. You can work with an insurance broker to determine which types of insurance are necessary for your LLC and to find the best coverage at the most affordable rates. In conclusion, forming an LLC as an independent contractor can provide many benefits, including limited liability protection, tax advantages, credibility, and flexibility in how you manage your business. By following the steps outlined in this article, you can set up an LLC for your business and enjoy the many advantages it offers. However, it's important to seek the advice of a qualified attorney or accountant to ensure that you are complying with all the legal and tax requirements for your business. If you are confused or consider these steps to be difficult, you can employ a professional formation service to file your LLC. InkFile is an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. Watch the rest of the video, where I will show you how to form an LLC in under 5 minutes through InkFile. InkFile is one of the best companies out there to help you form your LLC. You can click on the link in the description to get access to this deal. InkFile is one of a kind as it offers a free package with services such as preparing and filing your articles of organization. Well, you still have to pay $237 for the state fees, which you would have to do anyway if you chose the DIY option. But looking at the bigger picture, all other companies will still charge their service fee on top of state filing fees. InkFile does not collect this fee. This plan already includes a free registered agent for your first year of subscription, and $119 annually moving forward if you decide to continue the service after the first year. InkFile's next packages are the Gold and Platinum packages, which both have package fees already on top of the $237 state fee. Each package has its own set of services which are all worthy of the subscription you are paying for. The Gold package offers you the benefits of filing reports and taxes for your LLC. Every year, USA LLCs are required to file a state annual report. This report is essentially an information update of your file so that the state knows who is now in charge and how to contact your company. USA LLCs are also required to file state tax returns. To make matters even more complicated, Your annual report and business privilege tax share a document and are due at the same time each year. With the IncFiles Gold package, you won't have to scribble notes of these reports because IncFile will handle the whole process for you. Your Platinum package also has these services in the bag with the unique addition of expedited filing, getting a domain name, and a business email which essentially increases your LLC's credibility. IncFile also has an exclusive partnership with Bank of America so you can easily open an eligible checking account for your business. Yes, it is a must for your LLC to have a business account. Remember, an LLC has limited liability, for it is a separate entity from its members. You may forfeit your liability protections if you combine your personal and business money, and this is where the term, piercing the corporate veil, comes into play. Piercing the corporate veil is an LLC jargon that refers to the court's action to hold you as the owner or member of an LLC, personally liable for the LLC's debts or actions. Now, if you have been sued by some lawyer who sees a crack in your LLC, they might resort to piercing the corporate veil in which you are in any position defeated. This is why opening a separate bank account for your LLC is so important. Do you like the level of detail I'm providing you in my review so far? If yes, then make sure to let me know by liking my video and hitting that subscribe button for more high-quality business content.